Galaxy Academy.
Hello parents, my name is Rick Saint. I'm the Chief Academic Officer here at Galaxy Academy. And I'd like to give you a brief overview of some of the tools that we've prepared for you to use at home helping your children as they learn English. In each unit, your child will learn 4 to 5 vocabulary words, 1 phonics sound, and 1 or 2 sentence frames. We've prepared activity books that will go with each step within the learning path. These have pages that you can print out at home and let your child work as they're going through the content. In it, you will find flashcards with the vocabulary and phonics words. These can be cut out so that you can practice the words with your child one-on-one, helping them as they memorize. You can even do matching games just like we do inside Galaxy Academy. So there's many different types of games and activities that you can do just to give your child a little bit of additional practice with their words. These can be cut out and then used to help your child as they're practicing their vocabulary. Or you can even use them to make a matching game just like inside Galaxy Academy. You'll also find pages that your child can color and practice writing their letters. There'll also other fun games and activities inside. And this will be sent to you by email each time your child starts a new unit. We've also created a series of short videos that go along with each unit inside the Galaxy Academy Learning Path. This will show you the vocabulary, the phonics, the sentence frames that your child is learning. We really encourage you to watch them as they come out each unit. That way you will know exactly what your child is learning and you can help them along. There's also a special Facebook group just for Galaxy Academy parents. You can find that by searching Galaxy Academy Community. There you'll be able to get additional helpful hints as well as talk with other parents. We know that your child's success is important to you, so we hope that these tools can help you help your child. And as always, if you have any other questions or concerns, you can contact us either by email at hello@galaxyacademy.com or online app at Galaxy Academy. So once again, welcome to Galaxy Academy, a galaxy of learning fun.
Galaxy Academy!